Welcome to AI 101. We're thrilled to have you join us on this exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing industries and changing our lives in remarkable ways. Did you know that AI is expected to contribute over $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030? In this video, we'll explore the basics of AI, from its definition and history to its applications and future potential. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of AI and be ready to dive deeper into this fascinating field. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These systems are designed to think, learn, and perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, making decisions, and solving problems. AI is used in a variety of applications, from virtual assistants, like Siri and Alexa, to advanced robotics and self-driving cars. Understanding AI starts with recognizing its broad impact on our daily lives, and the incredible potential it holds for the future. The history of AI dates back to the 1950s, when computer scientists first began exploring the possibility of creating intelligent machines. Key milestones include the development of the first AI program, the Logic Theorist, in 1956, and IBM's Deep Blue defeating chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997. More recently, AI has made significant strides with the advent of machine learning and deep learning, enabling breakthroughs in fields like healthcare, finance, and autonomous driving. AI's journey is marked by continuous innovation and growing capabilities. AI is transforming industries and driving innovation across the globe. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnosing diseases with high accuracy, while in finance, it enhances fraud detection and risk management. AI-powered chatbots improve customer service, and smart home devices make our lives more convenient. The impact of AI is profound, with projections suggesting it will create millions of new jobs, while also automating routine tasks. Embracing AI is crucial for staying competitive in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape. Machine learning, a subset of AI, involves training algorithms to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without explicit programming. It's used in various applications, from recommendation systems on Netflix to detecting spam emails. For example, Google Translate uses machine learning to improve language translations. Understanding machine learning is fundamental to grasping how AI systems operate and improve over time. This technology is at the core of many AI advancements we see today. Neural networks are inspired by the human brain and consist of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons. These networks process data by passing it through layers, enabling tasks like image and speech recognition. For instance, Facebook's photo tagging feature uses neural networks to identify faces. Understanding the structure and function of neural networks is essential for comprehending how AI systems can perform complex tasks with high accuracy and efficiency. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, involves neural networks with many layers, known as deep neural networks. This technology powers innovations such as autonomous vehicles, where it helps the car understand and navigate its environment. Deep learning has also revolutionized fields like natural language processing and medical imaging. By leveraging vast amounts of data, deep learning models can achieve remarkable accuracy in tasks previously thought impossible for machines. AI is embedded in our daily routines more than we realize. Virtual assistants, like Siri and Alexa, manage our schedules, answer queries, and control smart home devices. Streaming services, like Netflix, use AI to recommend shows based on viewing habits. Even your smartphone camera uses AI to enhance photo quality. These examples highlight how AI simplifies and enriches our lives, making everyday tasks more efficient and personalized. Businesses are leveraging AI to optimize operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. For instance, Amazon uses AI for inventory management and personalized shopping experiences. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots improve efficiency and precision. Financial institutions use AI for fraud detection and algorithmic trading. The integration of AI in business processes leads to increased productivity, cost savings, and competitive advantages, illustrating its transformative potential across industries. The future of AI is filled with exciting possibilities. Imagine AI systems that can accurately predict climate patterns, aiding in disaster prevention and resource management. AI could revolutionize education by providing personalized learning experiences tailored to individual needs. In healthcare, AI might enable early detection of diseases through advanced data analysis. The continuous advancements in AI promise to unlock new opportunities, improving quality of life, and solving complex global challenges. Algorithms are the backbone of AI systems. An algorithm is a set of instructions designed to perform a specific task. In AI, algorithms process data to recognize patterns, make decisions, and learn from experience. For example, the recommendation algorithm on YouTube suggests videos based on your viewing history. Understanding algorithms is crucial for grasping how AI operates and evolves, enabling you to appreciate the logic behind AI-driven solutions. Data science plays a pivotal role in AI by providing the methods and tools to analyze large datasets. AI relies on data to learn and make predictions. For instance, predictive maintenance in industries uses data science to forecast equipment failures, reducing downtime and costs. Understanding the synergy between data science and AI is key to unlocking the full potential of AI applications, as data-driven insights drive informed decision-making and innovation. Natural language processing, NLP, enables machines to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. Applications of NLP include chatbots, which provide customer support, and language translation services, like Google Translate. NLP is also used in sentiment analysis, helping businesses understand customer feedback. By grasping the basics of NLP, you can appreciate how AI systems bridge the gap between human communication and machine understanding, making interactions more natural and intuitive. Building a career in AI requires a blend of technical and soft skills. Technical skills include programming languages, like Python, knowledge of algorithms, and proficiency in data analysis. Soft skills such as problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity are equally important. Online courses, coding bootcamps, and AI-focused degree programs can help you develop these skills. Staying updated with the latest trends and continuously learning are key to succeeding in the dynamic field of AI. Starting your AI journey can be overwhelming, but numerous resources are available to guide you. Online platforms, like Coursera and edX, offer AI courses from top universities. Books provide valuable insights on AI use cases. Joining AI communities and forums can also be beneficial for networking and learning from experienced professionals. Leveraging these resources will help you build a strong foundation in AI and stay motivated in your learning path. Building an AI project involves several steps. Defining the problem, collecting and preparing data, selecting and training a model, and evaluating its performance. For beginners, tools like Google Colab provide a user-friendly platform to experiment with AI models. Start with simple projects, such as image recognition or sentiment analysis, to gain hands-on experience. Completing your first AI project will boost your confidence and understanding of AI concepts, paving the way for more complex endeavors. AI development faces several technical challenges, including data quality, model interpretability, and scalability. For example, biased data can lead to unfair AI decisions, while complex models may be difficult to interpret. Overcoming these challenges requires robust data preprocessing, transparent algorithms, and scalable architectures. Staying informed about the latest research and best practices is essential for addressing these issues and advancing the field of AI. Ethical considerations are paramount in AI development. Issues such as bias, privacy, and transparency must be addressed to build trust in AI systems. For instance, biased AI models can perpetuate discrimination, while lack of transparency can undermine accountability. Implementing ethical guidelines and conducting regular audits are essential practices. Companies like Google and Microsoft have established AI ethics committees to ensure responsible AI development, highlighting the importance of ethics in the AI landscape. The future of AI presents both exciting opportunities and significant challenges. Ensuring the ethical use of AI, addressing the skills gap, and managing the impact of AI on employment are critical issues. Collaboration between governments, academia, and industry is necessary to create policies that promote innovation, while safeguarding societal values. Staying proactive in addressing these challenges will ensure that AI continues to benefit humanity and drive sustainable progress. As we conclude this video, remember that this is just the beginning of your journey into the world of AI. The potential of AI is immense, and continuous learning is key to staying relevant. Explore more advanced topics, participate in AI communities, and apply your knowledge to real-world projects. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates on AI advancements. Let's embrace the future of AI together and harness its power to create a better world.